Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix a mouse cursor that keeps jumping around or moving on its own in Windows 11. It is incredibly annoying when you're trying to click something and the cursor just flies across the screen. But don't worry, it's usually just a setting or a driver hiccup. Let's jump right into it. So the first thing we want to do is turn off a specific setting called pointer precision. This feature tries to predict where you are going, but sometimes it overreacts and causes those sudden jumps. Go ahead and open up your main settings menu from the Start button. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Bluetooth and Devices, and then select Mouse from the main list. Now we need to find the advanced options. Scroll down a little bit until you see a link that says Additional Mouse Settings, and give that a click. A smaller, older-looking window will pop up. Go ahead and click on the Pointer Options tab at the very top. Look for the checkbox that says Enhance Pointer Precision. If that box is checked, I want you to uncheck it. This stops Windows from accelerating your mouse based on speed, giving you much more stable, predictable movement. Click Apply and see if the jumping stops immediately. If the settings were fine, the issue is likely a corrupted driver that's misreading the sensor data. We can force a quick reset on that. Go ahead and right-click on your Start button and select Device Manager from the list. Find the section labeled Mice and Other Pointing Devices and click the arrow to expand it. You'll likely see something like HID Compliant Mouse. Right-click on that and select Uninstall Device. Now, just a heads up, the moment you click Uninstall, your mouse is going to stop working completely. That is totally normal. Since you can't use the mouse, you'll need to use your keyboard to restart. Press the Windows key, use the Tab key to highlight the power icon, hit Enter, and select Restart. When your PC boots back up, Windows will automatically reinstall a fresh, clean driver for you. Now, before we finish, we have to talk about the hardware. A lot of times, jumping isn't software at all. It's a tiny hair or dust speck on the sensor. Flip your mouse over and take a close look at the light sensor. If you see any dust, blow it out or use a Q-tip to gently clean it. Also, try using the mouse on a different surface or a piece of paper, just for a minute. If the jumping stops on the paper, your mousepad might be too reflective or worn out for the sensor to track properly. And that's it. Your mouse should be steady and precise again. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.